Daily life expression number 1. What brings you here? Hi there. What brings you to Denver today?
Hi. I'm here for a business conference.
That sounds interesting. Is this your first time in Denver?
Yes, it is. I'm hoping to explore the city a bit if time permits.
Great. Denver has a lot to offer. If you need any recommendations or assistance, just let us know.
Thanks. I'll definitely take you up on that.
Daily life expression number 2. Like clockwork.
Morning, ma'am. Here I am, like clockwork. How are you feeling today?
Morning. I'm doing okay, just a bit tired. The baby keeps me on my toes.
I can imagine. Is there any specific help you need?
Thanks. Prepare a quick snack for me, that would be great.
Of course. I'll take care of that. How's the little one?
She's doing well and keeps me on my toes.
I'm sure she's adorable. Just like clockwork.
Daily life expression number 3. Slowly and surely. I think slowly and surely, my older boys will learn to get ready themselves in the morning.
That sounds like a good plan. Are you giving them any specific tasks to help with?
Yes, I'm starting with small things like picking out their clothes and making their beds. Just trying to build up their independence gradually.
That's a great approach. It's important for them to learn these skills. How are they responding so far?
They're getting the hang of it. It's taking some time, but I can see their improvement.
That's wonderful. Keep encouraging them, and it'll become a natural part of their routine.
Exactly. I'm hopeful that with patience. Daily life expression number 4. I've gotten into the habit of.
How's it going?
Not too bad, I've actually gotten into the habit of meditation.
Oh, really?
I've started meditating every morning. It's been surprisingly relaxing.
That sounds interesting. How long do you meditate for?
About 15 minutes each day. It's a nice way to start the day and helps me feel more focused.
That's awesome. I've heard meditation can be really beneficial. Do you follow any specific techniques?
Yes, I use a guided meditation app. It helps me stay on track and reminds me to breathe deeply.
Nice. I've been thinking of trying something new too. Maybe I should look into meditation.
Daily life expression number 5. To look forward to. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'm looking for a nice gift, something special to look forward to.
Ah, you're in the right place. Is it for a particular occasion or someone special?
Yeah, it's for my friend's birthday. Something they can look forward to.
That sounds like a lovely idea. How about a gift set with scented candles?
Ooh, that's a great suggestion. Something calming and reflective, I like that.
Exactly. It's perfect for when they want to wind down.
I think they'll appreciate that a lot. I'll go with the set.
Wonderful choice. They definitely have something to look forward to now. Daily life expression number 6. Put off.
Good morning. How are you feeling today?
I'm alright, just a bit anxious. I heard the surgery's been put off.
Yes, we had to reschedule due to some unexpected circumstances.
I see. Do you know when it might be rescheduled?
We're looking at next week, but I'll keep you updated once we have a confirmed date.
Thanks, doctor. I appreciate the update.
Of course, we're here to make sure you're comfortable and prepared.
Daily life expression number 7. It's a hassle. Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah, Mom. Oh wait, I forgot my math book.
See, nowadays you're so careless. Every morning it's something or the other.
Sorry, Mom. I didn't mean to.
Because of this, dropping you at school has become such a hassle. We're always running late.
I'll try to remember next time.
The traffic is pretty crazy. Maybe we can leave earlier?
That's a good idea. Mom.
But you know how hard it is to get you out of bed.
Okay. I'll try to wake up earlier so it's not such a hassle.
Daily life expression number 8. Have you been keeping busy?
I haven't seen you in so long. Have you been keeping busy?
Yeah, it's been quite hectic actually.
Good to hear. Anything specific you're focusing on right now?
Working on that client proposal, we're pushing to get wrapped up by the end of the week.
Sounds like you're on top of things. Let me know if you need any extra support.
Will do, thanks.
Daily life expression 9. Ever had a day like this? Ever had a day like this? Nothing seems to go right?
Oh, tell me about it.
I spilled coffee on my shirt, missed the bus, and then the meeting I rushed to get cancelled.
Ugh, I feel you. Some days just start wrong. Did you turn it around?
Well, I treated myself to a good lunch, so that helped. Daily life expression number 10. Get out of hand.
Wow, the dishes are piling up again.
Don't tell me about it. And don't even get me started on the laundry. It's like it's multiplying on its own.
It's crazy. We've both been so busy, it's just getting out of hand.
I know. Between work and everything else, it's hard to keep up.
Maybe we should tackle the dishes tonight and do laundry tomorrow?
Sounds like a plan. Let's hope we can catch up before it spirals even more.
Yeah, we definitely don't want to be buried in socks and plates.
Daily life expression number 10. Get out of hand. You know, during the week, I always try to stay organized.
I definitely noticed. You've got lists for everything.
Well, it's the only way to keep the chaos at bay. But on the weekends, I like to just go with the flow.
Yeah, I can tell. You seem so much more relaxed on Saturday mornings.
Exactly. It's nice to have that freedom, no schedule to follow.
I get it. It's like you switch from planner mode to whatever happens, happens.
Exactly. It's nice to have that balance. Daily life expression number 12. I would rather than. How's it going, Alex?
I'm okay, but I'd rather be outside than stuck in class.
I hear you. But wouldn't you rather finish the lesson than have extra homework later?
I guess, but I'd still rather be home than doing math right now.
Understandable. Just a little more, and then you're free. Daily life expression number 13. Come to think of it.
The meeting is next Tuesday.
Oh, come to think of it, that's also the date of my doctor's appointment.
Ah, I see. Will you be able to make both?
I'll try to reschedule the appointment or see if I can attend remotely.
Good idea. Let me know if you need any adjustments.
Will do, thanks. Daily life expression number 14. Might as well give it a shot.
Good morning. How are you feeling today?
Morning, doctor. I've been feeling a bit off lately.
I see. Any specific symptoms?
Mostly tired and a little headache here and there.
I understand. Have you been sleeping well?
Not really. My sleep's been all over the place.
That could be a part of it. Let's check a few things, shall we?
Sure, might as well give it a shot.
Great. We'll figure it out together.
Daily life expression number 15. It couldn't hurt to try.
Hey, want to try something new today?
Like what?
How about ice skating? It couldn't hurt to try.
I'm not sure. What if I fall?
Don't worry. I'm here to catch you if you fall. It'll be fun.
Okay, let's give it a shot.
Daily life expression number 16. We might as well get started.
We need to clean our home since our parents are visiting soon.
We might as well get started on the house chores.
Good idea. What should we tackle first?
How about we start with the laundry?
Sounds good. I'll get the washing machine ready.
I'll start with vacuuming then.
Great. Let's get it done.
Daily life expression number 17. Better late than never.
I noticed you were late for the meeting today.
Sorry, I got stuck in traffic.
That's okay, better late than never.
Thanks for understanding. I'll make sure it doesn't happen again.
No worries, just try to be on time next time.
Daily life expression number 18, it's worth a try.
Good evening. Have you decided what you'd like to order?
Not quite yet. What do you recommend?
Our chef's special tonight is the truffle pasta. It's one of our most popular dishes.
I've never had truffle pasta before. Is it really that good?
Absolutely. It has a rich, earthy flavor that pairs perfectly with the sauce. It's worth a try if you're feeling adventurous.
You know what? Let's go for it. I'll give it a try.
Great choice. I'll get that started for you.
Daily life expression number 19, we may as well give it a go.
Hi there. Ready for your first swimming lesson?
Yes, I'm really excited. I've been thinking about learning to swim for years.
What made you decide to start now?
I decided it's finally time to dive in and give it a try.
Excellent decision. We'll start with the basics today. How do you feel about getting in the water?
A bit nervous, but mostly excited. I'm ready to give it a go.
That's a good attitude. Don't worry, we'll take it step by step.
Sounds good. I'm ready to start. Daily life expression number 20, gradually but steadily.
Hey, how's everything going with your studies?
Yeah, it's going well. Gradually but steadily, I'd say.
That's the right approach. Sometimes slow and steady wins the race.
Exactly.
Consistency is key. Keep it up.
Thanks. I'm sticking with that mindset.
Good. Remember, gradual improvement is still progress.
Daily life expression number 21, hang in there.
Hey, I saw you took a tumble there. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just not getting it.
You're doing great. Learning to ride a bike takes time. Just hang in there.
I guess. It's just frustrating.
I understand. Everyone falls a few times before they get it. Remember, every fall is a step closer to riding perfectly.
Thanks, Mom. I'll keep trying.
That's the spirit. And remember, I'm right here cheering you on.
Daily life expression number 22, on the contrary.
I think the weather's perfect for a walk today.
On the contrary, I feel like it might rain soon.
Really? I don't see any clouds.
Well, the air feels a bit heavy, don't you think?
Maybe, but it's still nice out.
True, but I'd rather not risk getting caught in the rain.
You're always cautious.
On the contrary, I just like being prepared.
Daily life expression number 23, let's give it a whirl.
Should we try the new cafe down the street?
Sure, let's give it a whirl.
My friend told that a new Asian food is becoming popular, and I'm excited to give it a try.
Let's give it a whirl. It could be a lot of fun. Daily life expression number 24, let's just dive in.
Hey, looks like the party's in full swing.
Yeah, it's great. I'm excited to dive in and have some fun.
Absolutely. Let's just dive in and enjoy ourselves.
Sounds like a plan. Where should we start?
How about grabbing some snacks and mingling a bit?
Perfect. Let's go. Daily life expression number 25, we could always go along with it.
I'm not sure if we should go to the new cafe or stick with our usual spot.
Well, we could always go along with it and try the new cafe. It might be fun to mix things up a bit.
True, it could be nice to explore something new. Let's give it a shot.
Great. I'm looking forward to it. Daily life expression number 26, there's no reason not to.
Hey, are you thinking about going to the company picnic this weekend?
I'm not sure yet. I've got a lot going on at home.
Yeah, I get that. But it could be fun, and there's no reason not to take a little break, right?
True. I guess there's no harm in relaxing for a few hours.
Exactly. Plus, free food. There's really no reason not to go.
That's a good point. Maybe I'll join after all.
Daily life expression number 27, what have we got to lose?
I've been thinking about taking that weekend trip to the coast.
That sounds great. But aren't you worried about the cost or time?
Not really. I mean, what have we got to lose? It's just a couple of days, and we could use a break.
True. It's been ages since we had a proper getaway. Let's do it.
Awesome. I'll start planning.
Daily life expression number 28. It's worth a shot.
All right, ready to give it another go.
I think so. I'm still a bit nervous about parallel parking.
That's totally normal. But hey, it's worth a shot, right?
Yeah, I guess. Worst case, I have to try again.
Exactly. And every time you try, you get a little better. No pressure, just take it slow.
Okay, I'll give it my best shot.
That's the spirit. Let's go for it.
Daily life expression number 29, let's roll with it.
Hey, it's such a nice day. Shall we head to the park?
Yeah, let's go. It'll be great to get some fresh air.
Yay! Can I bring my ball?
Of course. It'll be fun. Let's roll with it.
Don't forget your water bottle, though. It might get hot.
Got it. I'm ready.
All right, everyone set? Let's go.
Yep, let's roll. Daily life expression number 30, we might as well go ahead.
Well, it's getting late. We might as well go ahead and head out.
Yeah, you're right. The earlier we leave, the better. Traffic can get crazy.
Exactly. Plus, we don't want to be stuck in the heat. Did you pack everything?
I think so, but I'll double check just to be sure.
Good call. I'll go warm up the car.
Daily life expression number 31, let's just see what happens.
I noticed you didn't play in the final games today. Is everything okay?
Yeah, I was just too scared to play. I didn't want to mess up and let the team down.
It's understandable. Sometimes it's hard to overcome those nerves. But remember, you've been practicing hard and you've got the skills.
I know, but what if I make a mistake?
Let's just see what happens. Mistakes are part of the game, and they help us learn and grow. The important thing is that you tried your best, and that's what counts.
I guess so. I just hope I can do better next time.
I'm sure you will. Keep your head up and stay positive.
I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English more, please subscribe to 2-Minute English channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.